20 million. Maybe if this is enough of its boy.
It's getting harder and harder.
Him. Not.
Look at your mood. Just.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. Very good morning to one and all. I just woke up and of course Hriday will go to school right now. Baby is still asleep and just woke up to some amazing news. This little fellow's short has gone viral and it has reached over 20 million. This Guddu is truly a king. Thank you so much, Charlie, for making us go viral. Thank you so much for all the support. Of course, there are pros and cons to it. Pros is it's good that we are getting these views, helps our channel. Cons, of course, we are receiving a lot of backlash, a lot of comments, but it's okay. I mean, those people are judging us just by watching a 10-second, 20-second video. We ignore it. Ignorance is bliss. But thank you so much for all the support. Love you guys, and to all our new subscribers, welcome to this beautiful challenge. I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's a fun family vlog. We'll be telling you about our day-to-day life, nothing great, and it's a very normal family that we have. And I'm going to now head over to make some breakfast and let's see what's going to happen. So Bagu, aajcha divas kasa jato? So as you know, yesterday we had gone to the mall, and at the mall we had gone to MOD, so I bought these donuts. So we'll warm them up only and have. Hriday left for school, so I've given him that for tiffin. And baby is still asleep, as I already told you. And fatafat, I'll also warm it up for myself. I'll make tea for myself and then have and enjoy those donuts. These are the donuts that we purchased. Chester also wants them, but we avoid giving him sweet, and of course you can't give him chocolate. My breakfast is ready. Looks like baby woke up, and yes, she has. Good morning.
Good morning.
क्या उठ के क्या कर रही है?
Just came to the kitchen. ये गरम करना मेरे लिए please.
What? अरे हाँ यार, जीरा वाटर.
तूने ड्राई फ्रूट्स खाए?
नहीं, तेरे साथ खाएगा मैं.
हृदय ने भी नहीं खाया आज.
चलो, अच्छा है.
रोज याद दिलाना पड़ता है.
अरे होता है ना. लीवर ऑल्सो है ना हरी. यू वाज स्लीपिंग, सो मैं फटाफट वो निकल गया. ठीक है, चल मैं इसको गरम करता हूँ. बेबी 30 सेकंड के लिए रखो. बेबी
उसमें नहीं, गैस पे.
क्या?
गैस पे गरम कर.
गैस पे क्यों गरम कर रहे का? नहीं होता क्या गरम उससे?
लाइटली नहीं, मुझे इसको घटाना है. इट शुड टर्न इनटू हाफ अ कप.
अरे बाप रे. तो वो बॉइलिंग का किधर है?
एक चाली कम आउट.
घुसने के इधर भी, हर जगह घुसने के है. बेबी इसकी वजह से हम लोग का 20 मिलियन हुआ है शॉर्ट का. आई जस्ट वोक अप टू दैट एंड अरे वाह 20 मिलियन.
गुड वर्क चाली.
Didn't get a hotel now.
What? No, I'm keeping all this?
अच्छा देखो मैं गरम करते ना उसके लिए मेरे को
अच्छा हाँ दाल wait I'm getting it.
दे इतना कम पानी के लिए इतना बड़ा क्या बेबी और पानी ऐसे कुछ डालो क्या?
नहीं
ये पूरा रात तुमने ऐसे ही रखा था क्या उसको?
हाँ।
तो इसमें जीरा है क्या करूँ?
उठना inside.
नहीं जा रहा है ना?
उसी को तो गरम करना है.
नहीं द स्पून ठीक है चलो बेबी दिस इज एनफ इट्स बॉइलिंग अभी और कितना बॉईल करने का? लिटिल मोर
थोड़ा कम होने दे पानी का.
इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा फिर पूरा सिर्फ जीरा ही बचेगा. They are looking like these small insects roaming around or swimming. और बस ठीक है बंद किया ग्लास लेके आया. Let's pour. ये भी किधर रखूं? इधर ही ठीक है. You have it, okay? Lemon भी. Have to cut it then. Lemon. इतना पूरा स्क्वीज करूँ? No, I've kept it here.
Harder and harder. And so I thought this person is persistent, and so I'll go and open the door. I could barely, when I opened my eyes, I could barely.
Chester's here. Hey, Charlie, why are you hitting him? No doing that. He's a good boy. No, Charlie. Charlie, काय करतोस रे पोरग्या? हाँ? नको. Move रे बाबा. Thank you. Hey, Chester, come here. Take, I've got food for you. Come. Chester, चलेगा मैं आपको. Chester, come here. Take. Come, take. OTP देता हूँ आपको एक मिनट. Say that fellow will be. No, payment is done. OTP आएगा एक मिनट.
Come inside.
Cleaning time. Baby is cleaning while these two are looking. What are you looking at? Huh? Charlie, Coco? Kai? Cartoon? Hriday is back home. Hi. Hey, what is that?
Happy Parents Day card.
Happy Parents Day card. Ujala chahiye, Ujala. Come inside. No, what are you waiting for?
ऐसे कार्ड.
What happened, Missy?
We are watching Youngster.
अच्छा.
Oh, so this is TV.
हाँ.
So I've gifted. Oh, you
wait.
have gift.
This is the teapot.
Teapoy. Okay.
Now this is we are eating food. It's written my thing.
What is it?
I have to go for a meeting.
Yeah, because only we two used to watch. No, you used to go
This is
in.
the dining table. This is the curtains. Okay. My mama is always going for meetings earlier.
See, Chester is not there. He's asking where's Chester. Why you didn't put Chester, Charlie, Coco? Why you didn't put them? Huh?
Too much to draw.
Huh?
Too much to draw.
Too much to draw. No? Chester, very difficult to draw you, Ray.
No, there was very less time. There was only 1 degree.
Oh, less time.
Good.
Good, good. Thank you.
एक वो भी हाथ से फाड़ा है.
No, I that is with a scale.
Tore it.
Tore.
I tore it with a scale.
Okay. So before going for swimming and gymming, we're gonna have our
some
lunch.
food. So today we have.
Whose plate is this?
Yours.
Okay. Put some more eggs.
This?
More. And of course, I need my chapati with this.
Yes. So we have अंडा
Is
मसाला.
this also give me bhaji a little
ये
bit?
भिंडी की भाजी
थोड़ा
है.
दे. That's it. Okay. Dal bana hai kya?
हाँ.
Dal,
पूरी
rice,
डाल है.
and chapati. That's it. Give me chapati. I don't have any rice now. One chapati right now. And let's see rice later on. तो अरे बाद में लेता हूँ ना, वो कड़क हो जाएगा फिर. चल. Which flavor are you planning to have? Open and see.
I don't even know what all you've got. Ooh.
Choose.
Nice. And what's in this?
See. So अभी choose
My
कर.
favorite is this
हाँ, so take that only,
and
no?
this. So I'll have this later.
Alright. Hriday is having double trouble. Baby is also having double trouble. Why I have the entire donut.
I'm going to have a bite from that.
Okay.
Me too.
I'm not giving Hriday. Hriday को देगा ही नहीं. You make that face, I will not give only. Okay, bye.
Can I have some?
Oh, very good, no?
Dada, can I have some? Dada.
Ah, it's hurting me. What?
Dada. Dada.
What?
Can I have some?
What?
Donut. Or donut.
I didn't hear the word please. You heard the word please? I hear the pinning. You not come, so sorry.
Can you please tell me a little bit about donut?
No. You said no. I answered your question. The answer is no. Do do. Hriday, come here first. Come here. Your plate. Take. Oh. Exchange, no? Take it, I'm done. Yeah? Not give. Enjoy. अच्छा है डोनट एमोडी का.
For they shall be full. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy.
So now we are going
Swimming.
These two are going to go for swimming. And I am going to the gym.
Swimming. And you for swimming.
Yes. And baby is a little grumpy.
Possibly you're taking me.
What? No.
Baby is clearly not interested. But still, I'm encouraging him.
Encouraging me is forcing. Encouraging is different.
We all want to see a little
Yeah, but you should understand my...
slim Mr. Pate to talk.
You should understand my this I'm tired.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं होता है.
Saturday I drove for 3 hours and I didn't get my sleep. Sunday entire day I was out. Monday I wanted to rest. That also I didn't get rest.
अच्छा. Okay. Mr. Grumpy is here.
You are not going? Go to the gym.
Yeah, I'm going to the gym.
You have to wear your socks and we're wearing it inside. Shoes and all.
I'll drop you all.
No need, we'll drop you. Know why you have to come. Chalo, bye. We are done with our swimming. How long will it take? Oh, 15 minutes. Stamina's increased. Chal, we are out, okay? Just got done swimming for me and Hriday, and of course baby is done with her gymming. Apparently she did more than expected, which is good, it seems. So that's nice. And now we are heading over back home, and let's see, Hriday is hungry, he wants to eat. So whatever is there, we'll see down. Be careful, don't cut a cake again. Dada, what Dada, you do that. So let's see, we go home, and there's chapati, rice, dal already. I feel like frying some sausages, I don't know, chicken ka tadap aa raha hai. Dekhte.
Repeat.
I just said that to make
Don't
you happy.
lie now. Don't lie. Just repeat what you said. Say it in the
I
vlog.
just said that to make you happy.
Don't lie. Say what you said.
What I said?
Baby, please.
said?
Bol wapas. Let everyone know.
What? Hare, why?
You just told me. Why are you blushing?
Why are you putting me on a spot?
No, tell what you tell. Say it again in the video.
I'm being coerced. Okay, let me just tell you that.
Don't lie.
I'm feeling good.
After?
After what?
After working out, you're feeling good. That is what you told me. So say it in the video aloud.
हाँ okay ना समझ में आया मुझे बोला ना. Why you want proof?
See, let everyone know that I am doing good for you.
Oh, glorifying yourself. You're supposed to glorify God.
I'm not glorifying myself.
You're supposed to glorify God.
No, in the previous clip only you said no, that I don't want to. You
They
were so
said,
grumpy.
They said, no, what your
Just
right
look.
hand does, you not your left hand.
Just look at your mood right now and look at yourself in the clip before
I'll tell
this.
you why
You
my
were
mood
so
was like that.
grumpy
First,
that
I
you
didn't get sleep. Second, you're making me work a lot. Third,
What? What work I'm making you do? Liar.
it's something I can't even tell on the vlog. It's so embarrassing.
Oh yeah, right. Lies. Okay, chalo.
What खाने में क्या?
See. Look at your mood. Just look. Paglu.
I'm a good actor.
Shut up.
This is what we are having for dinner. There's chapati, dal, bindi bhaji, rice, onion salad, egg masala, and these are Russian kebabs, chicken Russian kebabs, which we ordered. So they come quite reasonable, like 20 rupees a piece. So we want to have that with rice. So let's go and enjoy it now. Lot of utensils now, baby. Not used to it, no? Hand wash का क्या करने का? You were saying something about.
Fill in the bottles. This one and Hriday के bathroom का.
ठीक है, लेके आता हूँ. What did you just do?
अरे कल मैंने साबुदाना डाला भिगाने and I forgot only कि कूट खत्म हो गया है.
So अभी तो मिक्सर यूज करेगी क्या?
At least ये छिलका निकाल के रखते हैं.
And we have Chestu. Hey, Bubuchu. What happened? Oh, you want to eat? Mama's not giving you. Huh? Chestu, Mama is not giving you. Not even wagging his tail. Huh? Chestu? I know you're listening to me. You should do that foo, no?
Just remove, no? And I don't like doing food.
Nice. ये अभी आया है. Now you're wagging your tail, right? You also want? You also want?
Take.
For me?
For him.
Take. Where is it? बस that's it. इसमें है क्या साबुदाना? Typical साबुदाना. चलो baby, let's sign off. You want to say anything? We were supposed to say prayer, but we couldn't say. We got busy with other things, so we'll just say a very, what do you say, short good night prayer and go off to sleep. Everybody, you also pray and go to sleep. Don't sleep without saying a short prayer. Correct? So असा होता आमचं
पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.
Bye.